Alright, day 3 of our inboard to outboard conversion. As you can see, we have the bracket that was purchased all mocked up. This is how it's going to sit, but we have some things we have to do. Because the bracket was bought used and not necessarily built for this boat, we have some modifications to make. So if you come up underneath here, with this sitting in the correct position, you'll see that we have a wedge to fill. How we're going to do that is we're going to make out of piece of board a wedge that fits. And we're going to put that together, we're going to shape it, and then we're going to sand it into a wedge. We're going to glass over it, and then that's going to be the support for our bracket. As you can see, we cut the center out where the ladder was, and this is where our rigging tubes are going to come out. They're going to come out to each motor like so, and then our steering lines are going to come out here to each motor as so. So let's get started.
Took all their measurements, made wedges out of Kusa board. And right now Stefan's laying down some fiberglass, and then he's going to fiberglass all of these Kusa pieces together. And he's laying it out. This template is the exact size of the mounting surface for the outboard bracket. And then once all that's put together, then we can fit right on the back of the bracket, and then we can bolt it on. It's going to fiberglass it all together now, and then we're going to have a perfect spacer template that's going to go right in between the transom and the bracket. I can't hear it. I got a fan in my face. Okay, so
We're up to see how it's not down the middle. Alright, so okay, you got that.
That's funny, Jeff.
Alright, now we're going to goop it up and we're going to go for it. What we're going to go for, and then that's going to be dictated by the top row of bolts. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. We have our bracket prepped with all the holes that we need in it. We have our wedge made. We've got the sealer on here ready to seal seal up the whole unit. We'd have to use a lot of it. It's called bedding it in. And we're ready to go. Two bolts, one on each side is our secret. The rest of them can go after those two are in there and then we hang it. I didn't quite hear that. Alright, I'm against the boat now. Gotta be pretty damn close. Want a drill bit?
Alright, that's it. We only have 2 bolts in it right now, but it's in place. Let the 4200 cure and create a gasket, and we'll tighten it all up. She looks good. Smoked. Water came all the way up here. Water came all the way up here. We didn't have far to go.